Okay, guys. Okay. Today is yet another day, and we are here. Today is September 25th, 2020, and I am going to be giving you some basic information on the vision of the direction we're going to go as a company. Now, one of the things that I wanted to do was I wanted to make sure that you guys understood my vision on the credit repair process. And the best way for me to do that is to showcase it to you like this. Of course, today I'm coming to you as the top manager and CEO for Liberty Management LLC. You know, creativity is the greatest expression of liberty. So I'm showing you something really creative. Now, you guys know we're already refinancing mortgages, and most of the people who we're dealing with, their credit is going to be destroyed. So one of the easy common sense services we can offer anyone is credit repair. So I wanted to let you hear the leading credit repair company that has a platform for people like us who want to actually start doing this. I wanted you guys to see it. So here we go. I'm going to share my screen with you guys so that you could start to check out what I'm talking about. And here we go.
I'm Daniel Rosen. I'm the founder of Credit Repair Cloud. We make a software that people use to help their clients with their credit, and some of our customers make millions of dollars a year, and they are really changing lives.
What it means to me to be a credit hero is I get to impact lives, and it's the best feeling knowing that you're actually making a difference in someone's life. We had this couple that had 6 children, and they lived in a tiny apartment, and they had a bankruptcy before. That couple was just devastated when they came to us. They had no faith, and in less than 90 business days, we got them to rebuild their credit, and they got qualified on a brand new construction home.
When you get that phone call that client got that house, or that mom who was divorced and lost everything, now they're getting a house and getting a car, that's second to none. We are a 7-figure credit repair company. Credit Repair Cloud has really just kind of changed my life. We do look at ourselves as credit heroes because we're saving the challenged, and the challenge, they really need someone to look up to.
Thanks to Credit Repair Cloud, we get to transform so many more lives when before it was all manual and we would spend hours and hours, and now with Credit Repair Cloud, we get to save not hours, but I believe days and months and years of work.
I'm Daniel Rosen. I'm the founder of Credit Repair Cloud. And if you are starting a credit repair business or wanting to blow your credit repair business up to the next level, you need to be using Credit Repair Cloud. If you're on the fence about Credit Repair Cloud, just try it. It is going to blow up your business.
Okay, well, so that pretty much explains it. This is the vision that I have for moving forward, getting involved in the various things that we're going to be doing. And what I want to make sure is that you guys understand that everything that I'm doing is of the highest and of the best technology. We're not using any funny resources. We're going all the way. Our marketing, I fully intend to be on the radio. I fully intend to have commercials going. I fully intend on doing this as big as we can possibly do it. So right now, the first initial thing I want to get done, I want us hitting the minimum of 27 people a day. And I also will be paying for the operation to go 24 hours, 7 days a week. Well, not 24 hours, 7 days for now. I'm gonna do 7 days full time. And in the future, I'm going to make it a 24-hour operation once we get all of these basic activities together. So, guys, I'm not going to keep dragging this. Enjoy your day. I just wanted to give you the basic vision on the Credit Repair Cloud. I'm going to look to sign up for it today, and we will have access, and I'll start credit repair immediately. Of course, I'm going to work on mine first, and then I'll start working with the assistants, and we will take it from there. All right. Anyway, guys, have a wonderful day and be inspired.